And we're back with some more Rain Code. I've been waiting all day to play this game, but I had to upload it to YouTube first. For the YouTube watchers, you know what I mean? View.
You know,
What a huge city. I didn't even get 50 minutes reading that, bro. I just wanted my detective points anyway. Well, it actually makes a different sound when you walk over this. Attention to detail, right? Anything else for me to investigate? Detective Kin is on the case.
I love the view of the city from here. Oh no, it's like we're always right at the brink of dawn. Although, thanks to them, the real dawn will never rise here.
How unfortunate.
you mean Amaterasu Corporation?
Kanai Ward is isolated and out of the UG's reach. Now, Amaterasu is the de facto master of the city. None who wish to live in peace dare defy them. As long as you know your place, life can be pretty good here. Open an umbrella and the rain won't touch you. Wear a raincoat and you can even take a girl cycling. You know
We'll
what I
take
mean,
a girl
right?
for a different type of ride, if you know what I mean.
Kinda.
A while back, our detective agency used this building. But we were kicked out due to a contract dispute. The owner claimed renting the building out to detectives made the place unpopular. In Kanai Ward, detectives aren't even allowed to have their own offices.
Really?
I don't know what the WDO is thinking, but I don't want this town to change. It should stay the way it is. It deserves some peace and quiet. And that's why this time around, I don't want any trouble. It's not easy to negotiate with these people.
I heard that Kanai Ward has a lot of unsolved mysteries.
Screams are part of the daily noise around here. They're kind of like church bells marking sunset.
That does not really make me
Whenever
feel good,
someone's smiling in that building, someone else in town is weeping. However, we can't go punching the guy who's smiling.
bro. I beg to differ.
We can only offer a handkerchief to those in tears before quietly slipping away. Nothing more is needed anyway. We're not superheroes or anything.
We kind of are. I mean, we have superpowers.
Just detectives.
Just detectives, he says. But he has the resigned smile of someone who's given up. That look tells me exactly the kind of place Kanai Ward is, in a way words couldn't begin to describe.
This fuzzhead dude comes off like an irresponsible geezer. But there's an ominous aura around him. You only end up like that if you've seen death all the time.
It's kind of a detective job, bro.
Could it be because of this city?
Maybe. Or maybe it's its old man stench.
That isn't funny, bro. This man's been through the ringer.
Something wrong? Is there something in my gorgeous face? Back in the day, I
Yeah,
was
sadness,
rather
bro.
popular
I can
with
see the
ladies.
depression all over it.
You may think that means I'm no longer so popular. And you'd be right.
Bro, you're in a trench coat.
The
You
rain.
look like a creep.
It never stops.
Rain
Does
code.
it rain often here?
Oh, this stuff? Fatalists would tell you that all rain must come to a stop. But for the past few years, the rain in our town hasn't stopped falling.
For years?
Interesting.
Yeah, years. It started around, 3 years ago? Weird, huh? Thanks to that, we have no need for weather forecasts.
A city where it's always raining. No wonder things are so dark and damp here.
The rain sure has changed things around here. Both the city and the people, too. Supposedly, there's something in the rain that messes with our bodies and the environment. But it's all hearsay. No one knows why the rain never lets up. But it probably has something to do with Amaterasu.
Kanai Ward. It's such a bizarre place.
Bizarre, huh? You're not gonna make it here if you find this shocking. You'll be seeing a lot of strange things in this city, I'll tell you that much.
It's crazy.
But
man.
there's no need to overcomplicate things. Everything is just an illusion in the rain. Just think of it that way, and you'll be fine. Trust me, it's easier this way.
Is it?
Well, now that I've finished showing you the town, let's head to the agency.
This place. There's a lot more to it than I thought.
What did you think it was?
What do you mean?
Oh, it smells so good here. It's like there's a florist on every corner.
Okay, she just means just surrounded by them.
Really? I don't see any florists.
I didn't mean it literally. To me, nothing smells sweeter
Then a corpse.
than the stench of death.
The stench of
What is wrong
death?
with her, bro?
There are gruesome mysteries all over this place. It smells so lovely.
Man, you telling me there's just like random
That
bodies
sounds so
around
ominous.
every corner? Just dead, just lying there, bro. Just
The elevator's here!
trickling out of there. Like, that's crazy.
Right, coming.
Bro, imagine doing a dance out in the rain. Yeah. With this cape on, I look super fly. I'm your one and only. You're my baby. You're my baby. Watch me do my dance. You're my baby. You're my baby. Take off your pants. You're my baby. Yeah. Watch me do my dance. Watch me do my dance. Watch me do my dance. Take off your pants and take off your panties. I want to see it all. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my balls. Wait, how old is this kid? You can't be doing adult teens like that.
Now then,
Yes.
Right. I have to give the people props for like, cause like most of this is voice acting. And I remember.
Totally get it. It's fun to say no at least once when you get choices like this.
Shut up. No, but what I was gonna say is like, cause Danganronpa games, you basically gotta voice almost everything. But most of the
No.
stuff seems voiced in this game. Yeah. It's you, my baby. Watch me do my dance. Stick my hands in the air and wave them like I just don't care. Do a spin like I'm Michael Jackson. Yeah. Alright.
now
I don't
then.
think there's anything here.
Yes.
Yeah.
This area is called Kamasaki District. It's the busiest and messiest place in all of Ganai Ward. In
Why
other
did you
words,
take me
it's
to
a lively
the
area.
worst place in this awful, forsaken, like off rip, bro?
Neon looks magical blurred in the rain. If there really is an illusion in the rain, I think it'd be the streetlights. I don't have any memories of this scenery,
What
but
the
it
crap?
still makes me all nostalgic.
You got a hanging
Perhaps
ghost
I'm
up
from a
there?
city like this one. Or maybe if you formed my mind into a shape, it looked like this place.
I don't even want to know what that means, bro. Is this it? Wait, hold on a sec. Let me speak to the locals. What you drinking there, buddy? Where's your hand? Oh, it's inside of your shirt. Oh, nice talking to you. Hey, sir, you going to work this time in the morning? These people are not friendly. I don't even know if it's morning for
Isn't
me.
that weird how it's not flooded, given how it's always raining here?
It looks like they have a good drainage system. See? There's a drain leading to a pipe over there.
That kind of thing creeps me out. Just imagine what would
But
happen
you
if
like
I got
death?
sucked in there.
What does that even?
Hey!
I'm gonna suck
there's a clown
you.
in the sewer staring at you!
Whoa, a clown? Is that like a reference to like it or something? When are we gonna get to the agency, bro?
I explained briefly, but basically, Amaterasu Corp picks on detectives. My colleagues and hired assistants all quit. They said working here as a detective was simply impossible.
So, you've been working as the only detective for the whole city ever since?
It's not like I could change careers. I'm a WDO detective, after all. Clients trust me to do the job. Although, most of my requests involve infidelity or finding lost pets.
Is it me or is this the same guy we just met outside? With his hands
The
inside of his
peacekeepers get to
shirt.
handle that. Detectives don't even get
That was a
close.
hentai protagonist. Where your eyes
Oh.
at, bro?
Interesting.
But now, things could be different since you're all here.
Huh? All?
Is this the agency, bro? This looks like a dead end. Bro, where you taking me, bro? I don't trust you.
Yeah, I got a feeling things will be a bit stuffy moving forward.
Oh no, bro. He's taking me into his little kid dungeon where he keeps the rest, bro. You're a bad man.
Is your agency up ahead?
This is the agency.
Like
bro.
I said earlier, detectives aren't allowed to work in a proper office at Conrad Ward.
Ugh, must we travel this nauseating path? I'm too blue-blooded for this.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
The other master detectives are already waiting at the agency. You're the last to join us.
Thought you said you were the only
Other
person that's been
master
working
detectives?
here.
But everyone on the train died.
There was multiple trains, buddy.
Thanks to that hitman hired by Amaterasu. The WDO anticipated interference. They prepared multiple routes for entry into Conrad Ward.
Okay, so basically they just
They covered their bases.
sacrificed a couple of people.
Other master
For the greater
detectives
good,
arrived
is
from
what I'm
routes
hearing.
besides the
That's
Amaterasu
nuts.
Express.
Like someone's gonna die. But
Both
it's fine.
official and unofficial members traveled through these various routes.
I see. So it wasn't just the Amaterasu Express.
Amaterasu Corporation caught on and tried to interfere on all the routes. Granted, they deny any involvement. Some routes were completely stamped out. Yours barely
So basically
made
they
it.
all like
That tragedy
massacred
happened to others too.
a decent amount of people.
Excluding you, there are 4 others who survived. Unfortunately, a lot of sacrifices were made.
Okay, so basically 25 people were supposed to come here.
As a result, you
4
could
people
say
on
master
almost every single
detectives of the
train
highest
died.
caliber have been gathered here. Each of you did outsmart Amaterasu and made it here after all.
That's kind of crazy, bro.
The highest caliber?
We just lost so many
Curious to be
people.
complimented
Sacrificed
really
them.
annoys me.
For this single city,
Why?
knowing people would
I
die.
wonder what these surviving master detectives are like. So
W was
exciting,
crazy.
so mysterious.
I hope I never have to walk to this agency again, bro. There better be like a fast travel or something, bro. This is ridiculous. Also, if the sound is okay, right? I tried to fix it because in the last YouTube video, you could barely hear me, kind of. So I'm trying to make sure I'm loud enough this time.
Here we are.
This is outside, bro, not no agency.
Where's the agency?
This
is it, my
right
boy.
Here. All right. Remember this, Yuma. The most important things cannot be seen by the eye.
It's a submarine? Nah,
I
bro.
thought my eyes were gonna pop out.
This is Ocean Gate? Oh, we're finna implode. I don't trust this. Too many things wrong with the sea nowadays.
Welcome to the Nocturnal Detective Agency.
The Nocturnal Ocean Gate.
What, you expected something a bit tidier? I guess I wouldn't
I
call this place
expected not
clean
to die
myself.
while I was 50,000
But
feet
isn't it
under the
awesome?
water, bro.
Our own submarine!
You heard what happened to the last people who got on a submarine, bro?
This really it? Our office is a
Let me guess.
sub?
We control it with a Nintendo Switch controller, right?
You've been assigned
so
to a
screwed.
sinking ship
You're
for
so
the detective
screwed.
agency.
I don't want to go. Let me out of here. Yeah. I like the music. Time to get to it. Is that a girl? I would assume not, but is that a little kid? He's younger than I am. That's a girl. Dang, look at the hearts she has. Why is bro in a chimney? Can we go back to the girl? I'll give her my heart. Love you, baby.
Thanks for waiting, everyone. Our final new member has arrived at last.
Watch it! Don't just come barging in here.
Sorry.
Doesn't he own the place? Why not?
What are you talking about? This is my detective agency,
Right?
isn't it?
That's what I'm saying. You finna take
Victory's
that?
mine. Pay up.
Yeah, I really
Hold
don't have a
on,
read
that
on
doesn't
that,
count.
bro.
It was an accident thanks to the chief barging in here.
Nonsense. You should have expected him to return from his errand. Moreover, you should have realized he was back when our
So
submarine
it is a
resurfaced.
female? Can I have like a... It's fine,
When
bro.
you put it like that.
It'll appear in the
With my logic,
characters.
anything is possible.
What are they fighting about?
characters and settings.
Hey, what are you doing with those matches? No fire is allowed on my sub.
It's just a little game. He strikes the matches one by one. He wins if he lights 10 in a row. But if he fails even once, I win.
How does that even work? You just
And he failed.
light them up.
Thus, I get all the cash.
How does this little kid even have cash,
Wasn't it?
bro?
The chief opened the door, which blew it out. I succeeded in lighting it, so the game continues. Next is the 7th, right?
Bro can't even count correctly.
Hey, ref, how many matches was it? You can check by counting the number of chocolates on the table.
There were 7, I remember correctly, because
Sure
my memory
thing.
is impeccable. I'm a detective.
1,
Okay, she can't count either.
2, 3.
Hey, don't eat those! We're using them to count! How many are we missing now? 2 or 3?
Probably 5.
Come on, princess. How many did you eat? Be honest.
2 or 3. What comes after 3?
These guys are detectives,
I
bro?
never remember since I so rarely count that high.
Oh my
Please give me just a moment to
We're
recall
screwed.
it.
We're screwed. I'm the only real detective here.
It's all ruined.
Why don't you count the number of matchsticks you've used instead?
Look at this guy. A genius.
Right. I'll just count the matchsticks in the ashtray. Why the hell are there so many? Didn't you say no open flames are allowed in here?
It's harder to quit than you think.
Aha! I remember. The number 4 comes after 3. So the answer is 4. Huh? But there is still a chocolate missing.
Hang on, there were more than 4 to begin with. Did you eat another one?
Bro.
Wait, you're eating it right now.
What is going on? Bro, I'm so lost.
Too delicious. So this is what common.
Oh, she must be really a princess. She was spoiled, basically.
It is simply heavenly.
Never experienced commoner things. Can't even
Anyway,
count by herself.
Time to pay up.
That's truly sad.
Enough! I'm using my authority as chief to end this game. And no more gambling!
Yeah, guys, Twitch doesn't
You
accept
understand
that.
you're in Colonai Ward? Don't give the peacekeepers any reasons to drop in on us. Virtue, honesty, and staying the hell out of trouble. That's our motto here at Nocturnal Detective Agency. Got it? Now then, I'd like to introduce you to our final team member. Yuma Coco Head. A round of applause, please.
Ooh, Coco.
Nice to meet you all.
I was hoping they'd be amazing detectives, but they all look kind of dumb.
I don't know about all of them. That one person
Know
looks like
which
a
one of
decent
them will
detective,
die first.
but the rest of them,
Or me.
total losers.
Hey, knock it off!
As dumb as she is, she gotta have an OP
They managed to get
forte
past
or
Amaterasu's
something.
attacks. I'm sure they're all amazing.
I'm sure one of them just got lucky, bro.
Yuma, let me introduce everyone to you.
All right.
First, the one sitting over there is Halara Nightmare, a great master detective. The first to arrive at
knew it.
Kanai Ward.
She do look like she's smart. Genius level.
The little match boy over there is Desuhiko Thunderbolt.
Thunderbolt.
Wait,
That is
who's the
so
match boy?
corny.
The beautiful lady next to him is Fubuki Clockford. She is the heiress to the famous Clockford family.
Nice to
A
meet
pleasure
you.
to meet you.
It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance, my lady. Now, how about I forge your clock? I mean, clock here, Ford. What?
And the one inside the fireplace?
What, fireplace? But why there of all places?
It's cozy in there,
He
bro.
says it's calming in there. Anyway, his name is Vivia Twilight.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Who voiced this character? President, hey, nice to meet you.
Right, now that we're all here, let's have a seat.
I need to know y'all fortes too, bro. So go ahead and tell me what those is. I wanna. Let's see. Why is it? Profiles. This is it. Let's start with you. Forte. I do not know it yet. Okay, that's cool, I guess. She likes cats and dogs, or they like cats and dogs. I really don't know. Is there a gender on here? All cute girls? Bro, what is wrong with you? You're down bad at like 5 years old. Why does none of them have a forte, bro? Exciting adventures. Fluffy pillows. Hard pillows. He dislikes living? Ain't that the truth, my boy? Swanky. Talent? Oh, it's called a talent and not a forte. Speed eating? That's kind of crazy, bro. I'm speak to you.
So you're the survivor from the Amaterasu Express massacre. You don't look like much.
Well,
It's
I'm
thanks to
a
yours truly.
grower, not a
Otherwise,
shower.
Master would have died right away.
Ignore the purple ghost above my head. She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Yuma, do you like chocolate?
No, but I do like you.
Yeah, a bit.
Did you know that chocolate grows on cacao trees?
All
The sight
right,
of
someone
all
get me out
those
of here, bro.
trees with their shining so.
I think the silver part is just the.
Yeah, let me.
Does
Yeah,
it not?
let me get out of here, bro.
I see. What a misunderstanding.
Yeah,
Adventurer?
Get me out of here, bro. I don't want to talk to her.
I am an.
I can feel my
Nice to
intelligence
meet you, too.
diminishing, bro. Let me leave. Oh my gosh, I lost like 1,000
Now,
brain cells.
all remaining agents sent to the Nocturnal Detective Agency are here. There are a lot less of you than what we originally planned.
I doubt there
Well,
could have been that
regardless of
many
how many
on
people
the
we would have
submarine
gotten,
anyway.
we'd still be no match against the Peacekeepers' numbers. So, we'll keep laying low down here and avoid provoking them, as we've been doing.
So what, we just stay down here
You
forever?
want to stay submerged in this filthy river? I didn't come here to rot like sewage. I want to make a grand entrance, solve all unsolved mysteries, and become a superstar detective.
What is wrong
Oh,
with bro?
and once I'm rich and famous, I'll make you all my assistants.
Yeah, bro has lost it. Bro has lost
In
it.
Kanai Ward, solving cases won't make you famous.
It'll make you infamous.
All information is controlled by the Peacekeepers. They simply conceal anything that's inconvenient to them. If you want to be famous in this town, it's much easier if you're a villain.
That is
I
doable.
see.
I can do that.
Got it.
Wait, don't actually do it! Don't instigate anything with those guys. Got it?
Sure, right.
I'm just
got
kidding
it.
around.
So basically,
Why
if
is
I
the
get some
WDO
fire,
gathering master detectives in Kanai Ward?
I might be
What do
able
they
pull
want us
it
to
off.
do?
Take some peanut butter.
Honestly, I don't know what the
Like
WDO
play
is
some
thinking
arsonist
either.
types.
I just found out about this recently myself.
You didn't receive any instructions?
Not yet, at least. I'm hoping they'll call us eventually.
They won't.
But before that, there's something I need to
We're gonna
verify
lose connection.
first.
I think we're gonna implode.
Yuma, it's about you.
What I do? What I do,
Me?
Mr. Detective?
I heard the Peacekeepers talking and learned about it back then, but... Do you really have amnesia?
How do the peacekeepers know already?
Amnesia?
Oh my gosh, she just got leaked.
Yeah, seems like I do. I don't remember anything from before getting on the Amaterasu Express.
Ah, then you and I are alike. We are amnesia buddies, Yuma.
No way.
Huh?
I feel like she just.
Fubuki, you too?
She think
Indeed.
amnesia is something
I
else.
cannot remember what I had for breakfast.
All right, bro.
I cannot even recall how I got here.
I think you're just forgetful.
Don't make things even more complicated.
Someone stop
Really
her from talking
apologies.
when I'm in the room, please.
What is the source of your amnesia? Is Amaterasu Corporation
Why would I know that? I forgot, bro.
No.
It's kind of what amnesia
doesn't
is.
seem likely. I was still at the station when I woke up.
So you really don't remember anything. I'm surprised you got past Amaterasu's attacks like that.
I probably can't tell him it's thanks to the pact I made with the death god.
You better not. Talking about me breaks the contract.
What happens if I break the contract?
I
Will you
was
leave?
just
'Cause
lucky.
I'll break it right
Chief
now.
saved me in the end.
Well, you can work off your debt to me.
Dead.
So you really don't know who you are? In other words, you don't remember if you're a detective?
Of course I'm a detective. I have the
That's
clothes, boy.
correct. Oh, but I do have a letter from the WDO. And this outfit is definitely mine because it fits perfectly.
I don't doubt you. That's not what I'm worried about. I've already verified your identity.
Huh? You know who I am?
I didn't just daydream in the park and feed pigeons while y'all were heading here.
For real, bro?
I checked the
thought that
routes
was
everyone used
totally
and provided
what you meant.
support wherever I could. Unfortunately, most of the info was kept secret, so supporting you was all I could do. At the very least, I did manage to obtain info about the Amaterasu Express.
What did you obtain, my guy?
Then again,
Tell us.
it was mostly thanks to Halara and Desuhiko since they arrived so early.
I got the passenger list from Amaterasu Corporation using my special forte.
What's your forte, bro? I want to know.
That
Tell me.
ability is top secret, so I'm not gonna tell you about it
Oh
just
my
yet.
gosh, bro. They're holding out
Your
on me.
name was on the passenger list, Yuma. Once we knew your name, obtaining more information was easy. I researched the histories of everyone on the list.
This doesn't sound like something you need to hear.
What are you talking
What?
about?
Of course it is! I might finally get to learn about my past!
Stop talking
So-
to me, Shinigami.
Who am I?
Unless you're putting your titties in my face, I don't
The
care what
truth
you have
might
to say.
surprise you, but among the master detectives registered at the WDO,
That was the best one, right?
no individual with the name Yuma Cocohead exists.
So,
What do you mean?
okay.
5 master detectives were summoned to the Amaterasu Express. That is an undisputable fact. But a detective in training was also summoned.
I knew I was an apprentice.
Detective in training?
That means
That's
I don't have
you,
a forte yet,
Yuma.
right? Or something like that.
Looks like you've been working toward being a detective at the WDO. You may be part of the organization, but you haven't earned your stripes just yet.
Wow.
So, I'm not really a master detective yet?
You were the imposter.
That sounds about right. You never fail to amuse me, Master.
Shut up, bro.
Despite that, I know for sure you'll be an integral part of our team. I reviewed your profile in the WDO records, and it turns out you have a phenomenal ability.
And what would that be?
An
What's my
ability?
forte?
So I do have some sort of special power too?
Your record claims that you're a great cook. Would you mind making
I'm
us
dipping,
breakfast
bro.
from now
I'm
on?
gonna head back to Tokyo,
Your lake is made.
but Kanaiwara is not it for me, bro.
I don't
I'm gonna take
know
a
if
train
I
back.
can.
I mean, I bet
don't
they're
have
proud to
any
get rid of me.
memories about cooking.
Materasu been cooking up steams anyway, so
Never mind.
I'm gonna head out.
Did my profile
It was
mention
nice to meet y'all.
anything else?
But yeah, I gotta go.
Like where I used to live or my personal history?
It didn't have any details of the sort. You see, you've got a trainee's profile, not a proper master detective's.
I see.
That's crazy, bro. They want me to cook.
You know,
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a pretty good cook.
appetizers
Might
in
have
a
to cook on stream one day.
restaurant, Don't you think? I guess that makes you the appetizer detective.
Please shut your mouth.
Don't worry, I'll do my best to train you from the ground up to be a great detective.
I'm already a great detective, bro.
What's wrong? There's nothing to feel ashamed about. Everyone starts off as a trainee. Also, not everyone can use their forte from the get-go.
What is my forte, bro?
Though some are born rather gifted.
I
Still,
am born pretty
no
gifted.
matter how much talent you have, you require the right training to make the most use of your abilities. No matter how smart they are or how dexterous their fingers, no surgeon dives straight into surgery. The same goes for master detectives. If you want to do things the right way,
You need
have to learn
dexterous
it.
fingers to be a nurse or a
So
doctor?
everyone here also trains at
A
the
surgeon?
World Detective Organization?
Well, duh,
The
bro.
WDO requires a 2-year training period for all agents, no exceptions. During that time, the agent's paranormal disposition is honed into a forensic forte, specializing in investigation. And those who manage to develop their forte are certified as master detectives.
So that's why I don't have a forte yet. Got it.
Like me.
Shut up,
Plus,
Jessica.
once you become a master detective, you get a detective deed from the WDO.
By the way, not all detectives working for the WDO are master detectives. There are regular detectives, like myself, who don't have fortes.
Oh,
You're a regular
really?
detective?
I still got my detective deed. It doesn't say master detective on it,
That's
but
sad, bro.
it still holds the same weight.
Couldn't be me.
A forte mostly depends on innate talent. Some people will never develop it, no matter how much effort they put in. But that doesn't mean they can't be a detective. Anyone can get a detective deed as long as they complete their training.
So is that my case as well? I don't.
Yes,
think I
bro, you don't
any
have a
special
forte.
abilities.
There is no record about your forte. You could be like me and have no special powers.
My forte is sensing others' fortes, bro.
I knew
Put some
it.
respect on my name.
Who cares
I know
about
regular
that?
average
You've
Joe.
got me, Master.
You got me.
Look, there's no need to be so down about having no forte of your own. That has nothing to do with whether you're a good detective or not.
Of course, I've been a good
Even a
detective since
kid or a
birth, bro.
delinquent can be a master detective if they're good at one thing.
Yeah, like
But
Apex,
detectives
bro.
with no special abilities must
Master
pass
torturer,
basic
bro.
testing with flying colors before they're certified. So, in fact, you could say those without special abilities make better detectives.
You're just tooting your own horn, old man.
Yeah, he is.
But being both a capable detective and a master detective would be even better,
That's true, that is true.
such as myself.
Yep, I kind of figured Nightmares.
You're tooting your own horn too.
She's her.
Anyway, whether you have an ability or not, the fact remains that you've been striving to be a detective.
I am a detective. Not striving.
So,
I already am one.
wanted to be a detective.
Also, keep in mind that despite being a trainee, you were given a directive. That's pretty impressive. You must be quite capable.
I am.
I
Thank you
mean,
for
master
acknowledging
detectives
that fact.
were killed, but you managed to survive.
Stop it, bro. You're making me blush.
I'm not sure if that's right.
I am sure you shall eventually remember all that you have forgotten, Yuma. Although, I still do not remember what I ate this morning, let alone
I'm just gonna
yesterday's
mute the
weather.
game whenever she speaks at this point, bro.
It was raining. It's always raining.
Oh, right. Is she this dumb on purpose? I think she's putting on a
If she's
act.
that dumb, she gotta have an OP, a forte or something,
Maybe she's
bro.
a giant skank.
Or maybe it's her
Let
forte,
them
which
kill
is
time if you
like
fall for her, Master.
making her so dumb.
I
Maybe there's a
didn't do
drawback.
anything.
By the way, my agency treats both trainees and detectives as the same thing. To all you master detectives, you better not drop your guard or the rookie here's gonna steal your thunder. Got
Yeah,
it?
I'm looking at you, Thunderbolt.
Go ahead and try. Too bad for you, rookie. I'm gonna take all the medals.
The crud is a medal, bro.
I have no desire to compete.
Yeah, I know. You're just you're her.
You senior detectives
need.
sure are a handful. Vivia, anything you'd like to say to the newbie?
No, not really.
Good talk, bro.
A call?
That's the direct line to the World Detective Organization. So, they're finally contacting us.
Finally.
All communication in Kanai Ward is shut out from the outside world. So that phone is rather special. And obviously, it's kept secret from the Amaterasu folk.
If they're contacting us, maybe they'll finally give us our orders.
Go ahead, rookie.
Why I gotta do it? That's crazy.
Master!
Let me hit up Shawty one more time real quick.
You better get it before they hang up.
Alright, bro. Don't talk to me. You made me mad now. Hello?
Hello.
The TV?
Nocturnal Detective Agency. Please state your business.
What, bro? What kind of... Alright.
Good work, all of you. I assume everyone is present? So few of you survived. Far less than I anticipated, but considering who survived, this should suffice.
What the hell? Who's this grandpa? He acts like he's hot shit.
So do you, bro. And you're
It's
like
me.
5.
I've never seen him before. My contact is usually someone totally different.
I mean, this is a fake. We're all being
Perhaps you
tricked.
dialed the wrong number?
No, that's impossible. This is a direct line to the WDO. Who are you? Would you mind telling us your name?
A name.
They call me
Unfortunately,
Fujirosco
I
Sosuke.
discarded my name long ago. Now, I simply go by number 1. I'm sure you've heard of me.
Nope, never heard of you, bro. This dude really had a whole name cutscene for number 1, bro. Wild.
Number 1?
You're joking? Seriously? My sincerest apologies for my rude behavior.
I didn't expect number 1 himself to appear. This must be very serious business then.
But I'm number 1.
Is he a
The number
big
one
deal or
detective.
something?
Number 1 is the top master detective, leader of the World Detective Organization.
Oh, I'm finna take that by the end of this game, bro.
Top detective of the WDO?
He rarely ever shows himself. Thus, no one knows his true identity. He is only known among detectives as number 1.
He's the top of the World Detective Organization?
It's just some old man.
Right?
I am here to give those of you who arrived your instructions. There is a dangerous secret lurking here,
Yeah.
which we refer to as Kanai Ward's ultimate secret.
The secret is why it keeps raining since the past
Ward's
3 years, bro.
ultimate secret?
However, Kanai Ward's ultimate secret isn't a problem affecting only this city. There is a chance it relates to the ongoing great global mystery.
Oh, snap.
Hence why I chose to deliver your orders directly. Move swiftly to investigate Kanai Ward's ultimate secret. Doing so will assist us in solving the great global mystery.
Got you, bro.
That is all.
Huh? That's it?
There's no...
How about some clues?
That's so vague, bro.
Why do you think you're there? If you're a detective, search for clues yourself.
Alright, buddy. Calm down.
Providing any information beforehand will merely result in misconceptions.
Understood.
Do you recall the World Detective Organization's creed? A
No.
detective must never overlook a mystery. Any and all truths must be exposed.
Right.
A detective must always prioritize solving a case. Emotions must be discarded to reach a perfect solution through a perfect deduction.
I heard that every single day during training. But it's not something you can easily put into practice.
Are you talking about to number 1? Fired.
True, Master?
Why would I know? I have
don't
amnesia.
remember at all.
Mysteries are the greatest threat to humanity. The WDO will not allow mysteries to go unsolved.
Yes, maybe.
They shall be eradicated with sagacious wit and indomitable will. We must guide the lost souls of victims to paradise in the name of truth. Go forth, proud detectives. Eliminate all mysteries from this world.
Sure, I guess, bro.
Hey, did you hear that? We got a direct order from number 1. We play our cards right, we're guaranteed to get promoted. I'm hyped.
Doo-doo.
It isn't so simple. Just look at how much we sacrificed to get you here. Kanai Ward's ultimate secret must have something to do with Amaterasu Corporation. Which means we have to snoop on them. They're gonna wipe us out!
So it's a full-on war then. The
That's fine by
WDO is
me.
serious.
I got my sword. I got my
War is
sword.
awful. I myself am a pacifist.
Please stop talking.
Well, it's something we have to do from here on.
There you go again with your jokes.
Fubuki, were you
Y'all can't see
listening?
my face right now, but it's like dead blank.
I
bro.
was. However, I was also lost in my own thoughts.
You weren't listening then!
So, Chief, any ideas about Kanai Ward's ultimate secret?
Dun, dun.
This place has so many secrets that I have no idea where to start.
I know where to start. I'm gonna look around the
But
city,
one thing
see a
that
couple
comes
of
to
things.
mind is this unending rain, I think.
Yeah, that's what I was
He said
thinking
that it
too.
has something to do with the great global mystery, too.
Global warming.
I have no clue
Figured
what
it out.
that is.
Well, for now, let's sneak into Amaterasu Corp and start gathering up info.
I agree with the little kid.
Don't you dare do anything dangerous like that. It's not like they're leaving secrets in easy-to-reach spots.
You say that like Amaterasu is
What are we
easy to reach,
supposed to
bro.
do?
You really want to know? The right thing to do is absolutely nothing. Jeez. How did it end up like this?
Come on. You need
I'm
to
sorry, this
snap
beat is
out of
really
it,
fire.
Chief.
I've got a bad feeling about all this. Who would have guessed number 1 would show up? Ah! All I wanted was to sink quietly into the river.
So he wanted us to die and
Are
implode,
things
bro.
really that bad?
That's crazy.
Yeah, lives are at stake here. Danger is a daily occurrence in all of Kanai Ward.
And I'm gonna be the one to protect this city.
I'm used to wagering my life like poker chips. It feels like my path.
Bro, Nightmare is so cool.
Maybe for you, but I'm not that way. Who said I wanted that? I got it. Let's pretend like we didn't hear a thing.
Bro, he saw all of our faces.
No,
Besides
I know
the
that's
one in the chimney.
impossible. Given the sacrifices that were
Look at
already
Lucky.
made, the WDO can't back down now. I guess we have no choice.
Why'd the music stop?
Chief Yako.
Everything that goes down in this city is handled by the peacekeepers of Amaterasu Corporation. They simply fabricate or cover things up in whatever way's most convenient for them. In other words, the truth they're hiding may be connected to Kanai Ward's ultimate secret.
Some of these cover-ups may be clues for unsolved mysteries then.
But there are tons of cases where they covered up the truth.
Then what we need to do is clear.
Reopen the case. figure it out for
Don't
real.
stare at me, dumbfounded rookie. We've got to crush each unsolved mystery one by one.
Yeah, it's kind of obvious, bro.
All of them?
Yes, all of them, bro. We do this.
That's one
We're
way to solve
detectives.
whatever's going on.
Oh, fine.
Plus, if we just use the
All
Shinigami
right,
power,
listen up.
everybody who's the real culprit will die anyway. So like,
Truth be told,
getting rid of the
I
filth
wish
in the
this
world.
day had never come. But part of me knew that it was inevitable. Our goal now is to expose Kanai Ward's ultimate secret. We'll be up against Amaterasu Corporation. So please, be extremely careful. We don't know what these guys will do to interfere with us. That said,
He's talking like we have to
you all
fight, bro.
survived the
We're
deadly
just
trip
solving
to get
cases,
here,
bro.
so I'm sure you're up to the challenge. We've been trapped in this rain for a long time now, but it's time to put an end to that. Please, help me save this city.
That jacket is looking so fire with the red on it.
Master. I love it. Things are getting interesting. Mr.
Did somebody say something? I thought I was hearing noises.
In the unending rain, through the winding neon cityscape, draped in my raincoat, I roam in search of my missing memories.
What is this? A soliloquy, bro? In the unending rain.
What
Abyss
secrets
filled
lurk in
with
this
secrets.
labyrinth of drainage pipes?
Dang! Why are you smiling? Bro,
We
Loki
have
come
yet
on and
to
look
find
cool
the
though.
answer.
Right here is fire. Is that the female
The
lead?
story of detectives facing the darkness
what is
that
on your
enshrouds the
face?
truth is about to begin.
Okay, so basically this is like the slums, and the above is like the high standing society. I got it, I got it. Okay, Spike tunes off. 2 kill games. Shinigami. Circle. Master Detective Archives. Rain Code. Yuma Coco Head. Lucy and Dodgy. Angelique couldn't paper naming her. What the? Amber Lee Connors. Koi Dow. Xanthi Yoni. Alex Lee. Kaiji Ting. The music kind of getting creepy, bro. Those boys? They're gonna be shooting at us? That was the AI. The rise of the AI, guys. And there's me. The one with the key to shine the light on the truth in this forsaken city. Mr. Darkness. Jimmy Kokobori, Howard Wayne, Makoto. Oh! Makoto became a bad guy, bro. She almost kissed me. So that's like the end of the prologue. Perfect stopping place. Perfect stopping place.